Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I've been just putting on the wigs that I've gotten for this week, and this is Beautyforever hair. I'm gonna show you guys the packaging and stuff. It just came in this, but they put like little goodies and stuff. But I'm so excited to show you guys this wig because back in the day when I first started putting on my wigs and stuff, me and other people that do hair videos, hair influencers, whatever, we always used to be like, dang, the body wave, not the body wave, the deep wave wigs, we wish it had like curly roots in a sense, so it could blend even more natural, and then you don't have to worry about it being sleek and all that stuff. So they came out with this wig that has the kinky edges, and look how pretty this looks. So I'm gonna show you guys a clip of how it came. It came like really tight, like tight curls, but when I wash it, it's giving like a nice loose curly type of look. And I absolutely love how the edges look because it's just so much easier to manage, and it just gives it like a nice soft girl type of look. And the hair, the density is very it's like a less density, so it's more loose and easier to manage because it's more like a natural hair type of feel. It's really, what's the word I'm looking for? It's very light, like it's light on my head, and then the edges just look so good. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this wig, I will have it linked down below, and let's get right into this video so you guys can see how I install it and style it.
My mind. My mind. I ain't got a clue, bro. I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my earnings. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. I tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs. All these thoughts have troubled me. Starting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. Right, yeah, I really need time now. I need to free my mind. I really need my love. I need to free my mind now. I really need time now. I need to free my love. I really need my love, yeah.
If it wasn't for the money, cars, and movie stars, and jewelry, and all these things I've got, I wonder, hey, would you still want me? Would you still be calling me? Still be loving me? If it wasn't for the money, cars, and movie stars, and jewelry, and all these things I've got, I wonder, hey, would you still want me? Would you still be calling me? Still be loving me?
I really need my love. I need to free my love. I really need time now. I need to free my mind out. I really need time now. I need to free my love. I really need time now. Oh, yeah. Just let me
guys, this is the end of the video. This is how the wig turned out. The wig is very much secured, and all I did was pin it down, and I used the bands that's already in it, so you guys can literally wear your glueless wigs so easy. Like, you don't even have to put anything on it. Just put a little bit of edge control and keep it like this, so natural. Even if hair like flies up, it's gonna be perfectly fine because you pin the sides. That's been my thing. Like, pinning the sides has always been my little tip. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this wig, don't forget to check out Beautyforever in my description box. I will have it linked down below. And yeah, I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye. So easy to take out and put back on. These wigs take me like 5 minutes to put on.
Yeah, my mind.